Good morning to you, mon petit bonbons with sugar on top. Good morning to you. You might not be watching in the morning, but I'm filming this in the morning. I'm about to leave my hotel that I stayed in last night because I was up here for a book event to talk about my new book, Wilde Women, that is out in July. It's out July 25th, but it is available to pre-order, and you do want to get your pre-orders because it will plop through your letterbox on the day it's out, so you don't have to worry about going to the shops and seeing if it's there. And also it really helps me out a huge amount because I would love to see this, like its sisters before it, go to that #1 spot. So hopefully you will pre-order. I will leave the link below. I was here for an event hosted by Lindsey Kelk. You will know her from the I Heart books, and Paige Toon, who is another fabulous author. So that was a great signing. It's 10 o'clock. I got the gig. Well, we all got the giggles.
Got the giggles.
You were crying at one point.
I was shaking with laughter because of this one. She's just too funny.
What can I say? We are going back to the hotel for potentially Wackers, potentially Domino's.
Definitely Moana.
Yeah, definitely Moana.
We're definitely doing Moana.
Every road I go and it's mounting south and
she's gonna sing the whole thing.
Road we go and the place we go and I will leave links to both of their books as well. But I wanted to show you the room I am staying in because we all know everyone loves a hotel tour, and this hotel is sensational. It's called the Whitworth Locke Hotel. It is in central Manchester. There is downstairs, there is a beautiful bar area that has a glass ceiling and loads of ferns hanging. There's so many little details, like the chairs have blankets on the back. It's all like gold and beautiful colours, and it's just a really beautiful like lobby bar socialising area. And let me tell you, we made the most of that last night. I'm going to give you a little tour of my room, which they call apartments, and when I checked in I was like, why is it calling it an apartment? I see why now. So I'm going to take you to the front door and show you around. So we start off hallway, and I am room 221. You open it with your little key card and you come in to this pink heaven. So my initial thought was that this was going to be a window, but it's not. It's sort of this industrial wall. It's got a nice light just there, handy place for you to put all your bits and pieces. Throwback, does anyone remember Louise Live 2016? And then over here, it's one of these like very trendy hotels that has things written like in typewriter print and hung up on clipboards. And you go through and you come into the main body of your room. I absolutely love the style of these like Art Deco-y style lights. I think they're beautiful. Very handy mirror just here. And then of course the main bed area. I have already slept in this, but I've made it like as close to how they had it as I possibly can. It's got one of these little throws on. A lovely rug, which felt very nice on bare feet this morning. I have to say, that was really lovely. I really love the blue velvet headboards. You've got little gold side tables. I don't know if the camera's picking up the colour. Little gold side tables. And there is a radiator here. Now, I didn't see any aircon, and I did have to turn the radiators off. But in the winter, it'll be cosy. So we were just standing there by the radiator. I've now moved over and you have this wardrobe space with all you would need really. You've got some hangers just there. There are amenities in here like a hairdryer and an iron, and then plenty of other drawer space. There is a safe in here, and then moving round we have a little table and chairs. Oh, what's that? The hardback available, out 25th of July. Oh my god, I don't think I've mentioned that ever on anything. A TV, and then over here, just so you've got a bit of perspective, this is where that pink hallway was that we entered from. So just over there. Try not to make you dizzy as I move around the bed, the wardrobe area, the table, and then we come over here and we are moving into the bathroom. I really like this like salmon and black combo. I think it's really sleek. which continues in here with this lovely salmon and then teal kind of vibe. We have a little toilet corner and then a lovely big mirror with great lighting as well. I'm going to try and get a close-up of that. Look, it's one of those, it's one of those. It's nice, I like it a lot. Really, really nice big sink, plenty of towels, lovely big shower, and I like that it's that like rain top. What do we call those sorts of shower heads? You know, where like I call it rain. What do you call it? The amenities are lovely. They're salted caramel, shampoo and conditioner, and then it was like a hibiscus Himalayan shower gel, which was really, really nice. I used it this morning. And then a heated towel rail here for more towels. So leaving the bathroom now with the bedroom area on our right, you would think that's over. There's still more to see. We've got a little lamp here. This is a view of the top of reception. They're obviously having a bit of work done here, but this is that glass top that you might have seen earlier that's got the bar and the reception area. But if we swing round, oh, there is an entire kitchen. Ignore this. We all came back to the hotel room and had a nice time last night, the publishers and Paige and Lindsey. But it's got things like, we've got a pretty full-sized fridge here. This is a dishwasher just here. And also there is a washing machine. Ta-da! I think this would be a really great place to stay if you were staying for a long time. So if you were staying for a week or two and obviously you didn't want to eat out every night or you wanted to get your laundry done, all that kind of stuff, it would be a really great base for you because you've got a bit more space than just the bedroom area. If you like this kind of vibe, then obviously you would like it here. It's very Insta friendly. I will say there doesn't appear to be any aircon and the windows don't really open very much at all. Like that was the most I could get them open. So I wonder how this place fares in the summer. I don't know if it's one of those things where because it's an old building it keeps cool, or whether you would maybe need a fan, an electric fan or something like that. But on the whole, I thought that this was a really, really, really lovely hotel. I would definitely stay here again. I just thought it was very beautiful, and I hope that you enjoyed this little tour, and I will leave links below to all the books. Thanks for watching. Bye.